I just want to emphasize again, the title was Business English and AI, Maximizing the Learning Potential.
Yes.
And the research explored the learning potential of AI to enhance writing assignments and the role of assessment in the resulting hybrid text. And by hybrid text, I mean a collaboration between student writing and machine writing challenge. And that was, I was trying to get permission from all my students in the class to use their assignments in the research. And in fact, what happened was that the students who did not use AI according to the instructions, they're the ones that didn't want to give permission. Maybe they were afraid of penalty, or they were embarrassed, or who knows what the idea was. But if they had given permission, that group, the presentation could have been a little more balanced. To learn as much as possible about assessing different texts, such as student writing, hybrid writing, collaboration between student and machine, and then just machine by itself. So looking at assessment, comparing the three different types. But the thing that came to mind, or comes to mind for me right away, is telling young researchers, or advising young researchers, to not be afraid to adjust or modify their research question. Because for me personally, when I prepared this research, my focus developed over the period of the research, and I changed my research question at least 3 times. And I think that's very important. I have to accept AI because it's just developing more and more. I think there has to be ethical usage of AI, and that's what I try to teach my students. So teachers have a big role in teaching ethics in the usage, but I think you can't avoid AI. I mean, it's here and you have to accept it, which is something I addressed in my presentation, because students can use AI just as an answer generator, if you've heard of that, where they just put the whole assignment in and get an answer. I try to avoid that by the type of assignment description that I give. So you do have some room to determine how the students accept the assignment and how they complete the assignment. And it's our role as teachers to learn how to do that, I believe. So for instance, in my course, we read a number of articles that are AI in different sectors, and they all say that although the emphasis is on losing jobs with AI, so many more jobs are being created. And it's adding so much creativity to different sectors. So that's my feeling as well.
I totally agree as well. So you have attended the conference in Amsterdam. So I would really like to know your feedback about our conference and how did you feel?
Well, I was very positive, and I am very positive. I would say that the conference was a real game changer for me in terms of, well, it gave me the opportunity to spread my wings with writing and with presenting and with exploring different ideas about artificial intelligence and writing.